Good morning, students. Now we are going to see Unit 12 Carbonyl compounds, chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. We have seen two methods already. Now third method, addition of alcohol. See here, addition of alcohol. So aldehydes as well as ketones treated with the alcohol. Here we have taken two equivalent of alcohol in presence of HCl as acid as a catalyst. The HCl acid is a catalyst to form acetols. So when acetaldehyde C double bond CH3 C double bond O, it is treated with ethanol in presence of acid. This acid is a catalyst now. CH3 CHO CH3 O CH3. The product is 1,1 dimethoxyethane acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal. The product is. Now we are going to see how the mechanism takes place. As usual, in this nucleophilic addition, the first thing is nucleophile. So here HCl is acts as a catalyst in the medium of acid. The H plus as well as Cl minus. See here in this first step, H is present here. The H compound will be bonded, which is attracted towards the oxygen. So if the pair of electrons will be migrated, it is electrons towards the hydrogen. So hydrogen is attracted towards the oxygen side. Automatically the Cl is removed from this. So Cl is came out. So what will be the next step? If the hydrogen is added here, it becomes now OH, right? And Cl minus is removed from this compound. So because of H plus is act as a catalyst. This is first step. So second step is addition of methanol. Addition of methanol. So methanol here, the pair of electrons in oxygen already. So the pair of electrons migrated towards the center of carbon. Last class we have seen the nucleophilic addition. The carbon, center of carbon is attraction power, and oxygen is more electronegative atom. It is attracting shared pair of electron. This is also here. The pair of electrons from the oxygen, from the methanol compound will be migrated towards the carbon side. Automatically here the pair of electrons shifted towards the oxygen side. Already here OH bond is there, the oxygen got plus symbol. Now what happened in the third step? So see here, oxygen bonded here. So in this step O, directly oxygen bonded here as well as CH3, and one more hydrogen is present here. Automatically the methanol group is added with the center of carbon. The bond will be also shifted. The lone pair of electrons acid is in the oxygen side. So first step, again here the third step is what? A protonation takes place. Addition of water, addition of hydrogen. So here one OH group is there, and here H2O present here. In this mean automatically OH minus, here H3. So in this compound, this hydrogen as well as the H2O will become as H3O plus, because of, see the first step here. First step, hydrogen is added from the acid medium. The hydrogen is act as a catalyst. After getting the product, the catalyst is removed. So here the hydrogen is a catalyst. In this first step, the protonation takes place. Second step is addition of alcohol, and third step is once again the removal of H. So as a H3 plus. So the hydrogen will be removed along with the water molecule. Now we are getting the product is O double bond H, here OH, C CH3, again here H. This is the first one, but we have taken two equivalent of methanol. But one methanol, the product is like that. And one more methanol going to be added in the same product. Once again, the same step should be followed. What will be the first step? HCl. In this HCl, hydrogen is added. Then methanol is added. Then here the removal of once again the H. So the same step should be followed in this compound. Because of one methanol, this is two methanol. So HCl. So see here, in this product side, once again the second HCl is added. HCl is added means where it is going to be added, the same process. H, the Cl is removed, no? So H is going to be added here, and the Cl is removed. The same step here. So Cl, O, H, again the same product we are going to write once again. Second step, it is some rearranges takes place here. See here OCl, this side CH3 again H. So the bond will be shifted. The bond will be here OCH3. The bond will be shifted here. Automatically this bond will be. It means the removal of water molecule. So removal of water molecule means automatically the CH3 bond will be shifted here. So now the rearrangement takes place. This water molecule going to be removed means this molecule going to be rearranged. So here the double bond will come. So automatically CH, the same compound here. CH3H, same compound here. And this OCH3 compound will be act as a double bond. Plus double bond. And once again the step followed, methanol, addition of methanol. So methanol, double bond, methanol, the pair of electrons will be bonded here. The pair of electrons here going to be added with the carbon. Already the first step we have seen. The pair of electrons will be bonded with the first carbon. The same things happen here also. The pair of electron migrate towards the carbon. So carbon automatically, the CH3 pair of electrons will be bonded. And last, this is going to be removed minus H2. We said already, the hydrogen is act as a catalyst in the first step, and finally the hydrogen going to be removed. So in this water medium, the H is present here. No, this is along with the hydrogen. It can be removed as a H3 plus. So here C OCH3 and HCH3 HOCH3. The same step should be followed. So the product should be what we are getting in the final CH3 CH OCH3 OCH3. So this is very important mechanism I told you, and I repeat this once again. Acetaldehyde, the first step is what? Protonation takes place. So protonation takes place means in this first step the hydrogen is added and Cl is removed, and after adding this it becomes alcoholic compound, and then methanol is added, the pair of electrons. So in the methanol it is attacking towards the center of carbon, and the hydrogen is added here totally. So automatically the same compound, the product is appeared. Third step is what here? It is going to in this water medium, the H3 plus ion will be formed. So the hydrogen is removed. First step protonation, second step addition of methanol, and third step removal of hydrogen. This is a first step for one methanol, and same thing, same HCl is going to be added second for second methanol. So HCl is added again here, H plus Cl minus, the hydrogen is added here, then Cl is removed, minus Cl. Then here the rearrangements takes place here, because water molecule is formed, the water molecule going to be removed separately, and here the OCH3 bond will be shifted here, it becomes double bond. So here OCH3, this OCH3 we are writing a OCH3 double bond, again then methanol is added. So methanol is added means this also placed in center of carbon. Third one is, it is once again H2O and hydrogen is added, it becomes H3O plus. So finally we may get the answer. First one protonation, second one addition of methanol, then removal of hydrogen as a water molecule. This is the step we followed for this mechanism. Thank you, students.